right, our last tour.
Let's get a picture of both of each.
Are you in heaven?
Yeah, this is bullshit right here.
Oh. He didn't tell me I couldn't. 1965 copper Cobra. I like that. My dad would absolutely love this. Look at these. Oh. $1963 Shelby. Wow. I don't think I could fit in one of these cars, and they're so low. They're so cool. Let's check them out. They are super sweet. Red's not my color, but tell you what, those copper and silver ones up front, they were nice. My mom loved Mustangs too. Look at that one. Just look at them. Very, very, very cool. Well, that one's even shined inside. Super Snake. Sweet. We drive a Dodge Challenger, but these are really awesome. Look at that GT 350. So I'm thinking that he's got some pretty good videos and we'll put them together. My phone's about to die, but I'm making the most of it. Didn't get these ones yet. So this is the Carroll Shelby in Las Vegas, Nevada. This one's row of cars.